Welcome. When you install your XAMPP software, you're going to get folder also and your C directory called XAMPP. Open this file and open htdocs here where you're going to develop all your applications. We're going to create new file or folder called CRUD2 because I already have one here, and open your Sublime text and drag and drop your folder. Now open new file, create new file, Control N, save index.php, and this one will be our index file. So let's structure our files here. We need also update.php, and we need also delete.php because it's CRUD app, and also we need add.php or insert or whatever you want. And what else? We need also db.php. okay, the reason why I created these files is index to display all our data and update when you want to update our data, and delete of course when you delete any data or task, and add when we add, and db is for our database connections. We're going to create all this later on, but first we need the index. Here we're going to display our all the tasks that we're going to create. So what the nice about Sublime Text is you just type HTML and click tab. This will give you all the necessary HTML tags for you. What else I want here is to add this code. This is jQuery free JavaScript library here, and we have also bootstrap, and we have here is bootstrap.css here and the script here. Normally we keep the scripts in the end of the document here after the closing the body tag, but right now we don't need this because it's very small site. So the title will be CRUD app, and here what we need form. So instead of creating all this and wasting a lot of time, we have in Bootstrap, just go to a Bootstrap website and go to tables. We need tables here. This is how you create table. You see long code. It's very easy. Just copy this one and go to your index file. But before that, we need div with container here, div class row, and paste. But before that we need also to give it a title here, title, then the center h1 to-do list. As you can see, we have to-do list in the center of our page. This center tag will center everything that it's inside it. We have h1 tag inside this center. Now what we need div also. Why this div? Because we want md of 10, call md of offset of 1. okay, now we have all the contents here. So let me explain what I did here, it's very simple. I created div with a column or 10 columns, MD, this is medium size columns, offset of 1, because I want to center all the content here. If I said, for example, offset of 5, see what will happen. This is offsetted by 5 columns here. That's why we just added here 1. So it's in the center now. I want margin from top like 50 pixel or 100. 70 pixel, I think it's great. It's in the center. We have margin here. Now what we need, I need to add a button here and here, or let's add one button to add content. So in the center we need it here, so I'm gonna go here and type let's say button, y button. You're gonna see why I type of button also. Give it class btn of let's say success. So we have the button now here, but I want to make it here in the left side after the table, I think here. Yeah, we're gonna have the button will be here, and also I need another button. Let's just copy this and paste it here and call it print, because we want to print it. Give it a default class. We have this print. I want to put this print button in on the right. So we have a class of bull right. Okay, we have print here, and we have add task. Now when we click add, we want to be able to add task. But first let's edit this table. After here I'm going to add hr, which is line here, and we need also like break tag a little bit. We want to give it a little bit margin. We just need name, I think name, and number here, like serial number. Let's call it task. We don't need all this, we need 2 only. We don't need all this thing here. Now we created the index page or the home page. We're gonna continue adding buttons here in the next lesson.